Okay, so today I'm recording for testing and reviewing the advertisement that I just created for the website related work. I think then I think that this settings are crucials for website related service in meta advertisements. This advertisements has been fired through Meta Ads Manager. It's not directly from uploading the post and boosting from there. This is very detailed targeting, and I would like to show you. So I just created, and as you can see, it's also got active now. It's just started. So let me show you. When I click on the edit, I'm going to show you from the basics, from the campaign level to ad level. So the first one is campaign name. Campaign name is important, so you just give it your campaign name. This one is nothing. Campaign details, auction, and engagement, because since we just want to have people firing messages on my WhatsApp, so that's why the campaign objective is engagement, and it's also a lots of people selecting this because it's the cheaper one. If you click, you see the campaign spending limit. It's optional, and you don't have to mess around with this one. Budget strategy, I selected daily budget of 250 rupees. Campaign bid strategy is highest volume. It means get the most result for your budget. This is what's selected as of now. Budget scheduling, I didn't messed any of these. No A/B testing and special category, no nothing. Okay, let's move on to the ad set. So ad set name is Hirelancer ad set. So as you can see, messaging conversation is started from a WhatsApp only. By default, Meta suggests you for messenger ad, messenger messaging, messenger messages, and Instagram messages plus WhatsApp. But in India, WhatsApp is something that all the people use. So first you need to, it's very important to select your Facebook page of where you want to display your um, advertise on, and based on your niche, based on your category, based on your industry, you have to create the Facebook page plus Instagram profile depending on where you want to showcase your where you want to run your advertisement on. So I'm just running the advertisement both in my Facebook page and Instagram account. So Facebook page has been selected, and then messaging destination is my number. Here we go. Performance goal is maximum number of messaging conversation. If we click here, nothing to worry. Then budget and schedule. Again, you see that it's a recap of 250, and you don't have to mess anything from here. And these are all suggestions like budget and scheduling, ad scheduling. Okay, saying that you could get 22%, 22.8% more conversion by running ads during a specific business hour. All right. So with ad scheduling, we will show you ads when your business is likely open and available to messages, which may help you connect with more potential customers. All right, no problem, because since it's a messaging uh, conversation initialization, so people even can just send you the message on the night and they can chat it later, no problem. So we are leaving it. Audience, it's very important. LED audience reach. This is again suggestions, so you don't have to worry. I've created a new audience for website related work. Let me show you what is that. To run the ads, and you need to declare. This is also suggestions, so ignore it. You have, so in location, I have selected India. India is by default selected because we're running the advertisement in India. Over there, we just only selected two states only. Now, no nothing, no cities at all. Just selected the cities which I think is growing at the faster speed, and selecting these uh, states. It mean I understand that these states what they're doing, and so Delhi and Uttar Pradesh is perfectly fine. So I just selected the minimum age is 22 only, because I think Minimum is the baseline for all this kind of work, like website minimum and all, because I know this niches. Languages, I selected English all. So when I select English all, I got US and UK English and then Hindi language, because the advertisement itself is on Hindi. Now we have advantage plus audience. We will automatically show ads to people most likely to respond. Okay, that's nice. Very, very nice. We'll show ads to people matching your suggestions and other audiences when it likely to improve performance. That's perfectly fine. That's the sweet spot of Meta. Now again, you can see I just restricted the age limit 22 to 40, which I understand is important metrics. And I just only selected male because, see, if you just target unnecessary age, genders, and interest, then Meta will keep showing you advertisement everywhere just for the testing. And initially, you will just renew a lot of budgets. Since if you just go very likely, if you target heavily, if you know you understand what you're doing, and if you target like that, Meta will soon start finding your audience. That's why I just only selected male. Women's are, I don't think women's are interested to all of this. Policy and regulatory requirement in India. This is the most important setting, and everyone should be have to focus over here. This calls placements, so we'll automatically show ads in the places where people are likely to respond. You could get better results with advantage plus placements, which I didn't did that. Let me give you the reason. Value rule creation is changing. So if I show you, these are suggestions. I'm not clicking anything, but if you click on show more, you get this one. So I just selected only Android operating system, because you know that in iPhone everything is expensive. So I just want to reach broader audience through selecting only Android operating system. And also when we're selecting Android, you have to uncheck this one. It's called in-stream ads for Reels, and you have to tweak a little bit in here in the feeds. So you must be selecting only Facebook feeds and Instagram feeds. Rest should be unchecked. In stories, status, and these are all important. So and messenger stories are unavailable. Rest is automatically selected, and these are important. So I'm just keeping it like that. In-stream ads, you must be unchecked, and search result, there is automatically one place is automatically selected, which is, I think, is nice. It's called targeted. So not everybody is doing it, but when somebody is doing it, my ads will be shown up there. That's it. So it's a very, very important and crucial steps you have to take on placements and targeting. So targeting and placements is very, very important. You also have to uncheck this one, because allows limited spending to exclude placement. Okay, and nothing else. Then you have to move on to the next step, which is a add one. And here is very important. You have to select your page. So this section is only going to appear when you already selected your page from the second ad set. All right. So when you do that, you will unlock this Facebook, and then I also selected the Instagram, and I checked the Instagram traffic and Facebook traffic. Both are now getting identical, same, and Instagram is already in the trend, so you can't just skip Instagram right now. Okay, you can't just skip it. This is WhatsApp number. It's already got selected. So you have to select the single image in carousel. I see most conversion happening in India with just a single image, but this is not a single image. People just use only single image, nothing, no background music, and just they slap a simple automatic background music from Facebook and Meta. But I didn't did that. What I did, I just have a square one is two by one ratio image, and as you can see, this is Facebook and this is Instagram feed. This is how it actually looks. This is square. So if you just set your creative in a square format, it will going to adjust all the platforms. Let me show you. So this one, as you can see, is feeds, Instagram feeds is perfectly matched and no cutouts. Okay, it's automatically adjusted. Now it's a stories. So even with the stories, you see everything is perfectly uh, viewable, no problem at all. Now Instagram Reels, the same thing. You'll not have any problem seeing anything, any text. Since this is just not only a text, it's a video. So the background, there is also a slight music and a voiceover. So you have to be like spend a lot of time configuring your script. That script is very, very important. Use AI, use whatever, I don't know, but you have to be very, very clear and very, very offering type of make your advertisement much more appealing and all and I mean offer a lot of things. Yo, I mean your voiceover should be very, very appealing. Okay, that's very, very important. Visual is another part which is going to be hooked to your, which is first helping your audiences to hook first. Okay, when they hook to this image, then the second role is from the audio, the voiceover, the ad script voiceover, right? Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and finally we have WhatsApp status and Facebook search result. Perfect. So you see that the creative is adjusted and on all the screens. So that's why I'm recommending 1:1 ratio. And this ad format is killing. It works always. I saw it. By the way, see that if you talks about the platforms like Instagram profile and Facebook, Facebook tends to be go cheaper, which I heard, okay, and never gone very deep into it. But yes, it can be because I just seen this answer from Meta searches and Gemini searches as well. But if you are actually targeting just Facebook people, then you are, I mean, you just have to know that you're going to target the older or the older generations, right? Right. So if your product services is not a younger, not belonging from younger generation, you can target Facebook. For example, a tiffin service advertisement will works better wonders and better with just only Facebook page. But things related like website, it will doesn't have to do with older people's, right? So you have to go with Instagram. So all the latest thing happening, including text and everything, the startups or innovative thinkings should be goes to Instagram profile. Should be goes to Instagram advertisement. And if we just like are running the simple campaign like tiffin service at just rupees 60 rupees, then Facebook page will do wonders and with a very less pricing. And if you just go if you can able to target just only city. For example, I'm from this, I mean, let's say you live in Delhi or you live in any place, for example Lucknow. So if you just target Lucknow as a city and you just tuning your advertisement just for the Lucknow, naming Lucknow and specifically all those details for Lucknow. So it means the ad is very, very targeted and the chances of conversion is high because you know that thing what you're doing. You know that in this, you know that industry very well. You know that these people are actually struggling for this part, and now I'm actually offering the solution through running the advertisement. So these things are very, very important. If you the better you know your niche, the better you know your industry, the better would the conversion would be, right? Otherwise, you just have to spend a lot to test everything, and Meta will run uh, the advertisements everywhere, spending your campaign, spending your budget heavily, and then figuring out, yeah, this part is working, this part is not working, and we lacks of these things because we can spend up to like 10,000 just to test only. So I mean, 10,000 nothing. That 10,000 is a lot, right? So it's better to just study all this Meta before running at the advertisements campaign and all. Okay, so that's it. Finally, there's nothing. You just have to select the creative, and I didn't added any primary text or a description because this doesn't matter, I guess, and nothing else. And that's it. This doesn't make sense for the tracking or pixel because I'm sending traffic directly to WhatsApp conversation, so it isn't making sense. But pixel would be still important. And I'm explaining what is pixel is. Pixel is something that you install the pixel on your landing page or website. It means if you perfectly install the pixel, you would in the future you're more likely to giving the you're ready to give the data to the Facebook. The more data you give to meta advertisements, meta ads, meta ads will likely know that yeah, these audiences, these kind of audiences coming to the website and they're clicking here and there. So based on the clicking and behavior, meta will try to understand um what yeah, these are the people who are interested like in these things. Let me just start finding the similar people. That's important, that's powerful when you just sending the when you're sending the traffic directly on the landing page or website. That makes sense. Okay, nothing else. So guys, if you are looking to run your campaign, run your advertisements specifically on any cities, please contact me and I'll help you.